Back again. Finish off the evening. I successfully applied the regular clear on top of my mixture onto the nacelles. So hopefully they will smooth out the color enough that it'll work, and it'll be a smooth enough surface that I can successfully put on the Aztec decals for the nacelles. Now I'm going to use the Wrath of Khan nacelle decals for the ship and save the Polar Lights ones for the Enterprise, the motion picture refit. Now I tried to clear up the black on the front of the nacelles. I wasn't as successful as I'd hoped. As you can see there, kind of went away on me. It worked a bit better on the back, but that's okay. I'll make sure that I paint it next time before I put on the nacelles. But the good thing is, if you look here, you can barely tell the difference between the Polar Lights gray and where I had to install the A Creation slice to replace the missing decal vent, which fragmented. So it's pretty good how the pattern is almost identical. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with the ship. So let me see here. Front of the nacelle, right? It feels a bit smoother. It is a bit smoother. It's not as gritty. Excellent, excellent. That's good. That's just what I wanted. Oh, careful. Don't want to get sticky on me. All right, so here's the final picture for the evening. The nacelles are all ready with their iridescent. The colors all matched. As close as I could get, though it's still a little browner where the spray paint was compared to that, but I'm not going to quibble now because once you cover it with the Aztec decals, you won't be able to tell anyway. I just wanted to get it as close as possible. So that's it for this evening for April 17th on the Wrath of Khan refit, and I'll see you here tomorrow when I do the top neck decals, and then I switch and I start working on the warp nacelles. As you can see, what I've already completed, the back end of the inner edge on both nacelles. And then also I'll do the top, I'll do the sides. Interesting, look, where the nacelle strut attaches, it is bare of Aztec decal, so it's a good thing that I put on the color when I had the chance, because that'll be the only decoration in that section of the warp nacelle. And of course I detail painted the end tail fin, and in front I ended up using the XF23 light blue, which is a lot noticeably greener than the rest of the hull. You can tell here, and on the tail fin. All right, so that's all for now, and we'll see you here tomorrow. Bye-bye.